In this video we're doing an honest review of CheapOair, an online travel booking platform that claims to offer discounted flights, hotels and rental cars. CheapOair often shows lower prices compared to major booking sites, and many users appreciate the wide range of flight options and promo codes available. However, it's important to note that several travelers have reported issues with customer service, hidden fees and difficulties in changing or canceling bookings. The savings can be real, but they sometimes come at the cost of flexibility and convenience. When you book through third-party platforms like CheapOair, airlines may not directly assist with refunds or changes, which can be frustrating during emergencies or schedule changes. Overall, CheapOair can be a solid option for budget travelers who double-check details before confirming, but it's best to read the fine print and compare directly with airlines to avoid surprises. If you enjoy straightforward and honest tech reviews, don't forget to subscribe for more.